Hey guys, you are welcome to Insider Gardening. Today I will show you how to collect Nasturtium seeds. So let's get started. So guys, these are the two beautiful plants I am going to show you today. So as you can see, the leaves have started burning or shedding in large amount. They have lost their color, no more growth, and you can see that they are turning yellowish. Also, the new leaves are not big at all. So this explains that the plant is going off as the summers are arriving. So before 1 or 2 months of the end of the season of the seasonal flower, you may stop pinching, which means plucking old flower, so that it can produce seeds. During the growth season, remove old leaves and flower time to time so that the plant do not develop a lot of shedding leaf hormone, because sometimes plant perceive it as their end and will not produce any further blooms, and which is not good for your plant, as we think for more foliage as well as more flower during different season of a time. Seasonal flowers are the best, providing a vibrant colors and different structure to your garden. So if you give it a good care and love, as you can see, plant is still trying to produce more blooms. So these are the one of the best winter flowering plant I can say. So let's check out for seeds. As many times flowers are hidden by the leaves, there are chances that you can find seeds even fallen in your pot or nearby it or even behind the leaves. So guys, as you can see, I had planted these two Nasturtium plant in this small hanging, and they did produce blooms. So I'm gonna add these in my backyard pots to preserve them till winters. Usually you don't need to protect these plants as they are very easy to grow from seeds. So personally I prefer storing seeds in a seed packet as they are already labeled, and also foil kind covering which protect the seeds. So guys, the seeds you can see are collected by me from my home plants. I have not bought these. So usually you need to dry these out for 1 day in the sun, and they are ready to be preserved for next year. So guys, let me check for any other seeds present in my another beautiful plant, and you can see it. It's just beautiful. It had done a very well blooming throughout the season, and it's actually very beautiful. I don't want to remove these, but the time has come and I have to remove these from my pot. So guys, removing these plants is very easy as they are not very long rooted. Actually their roots are very short. You can easily pluck them off and throw them, or you can use it as a living moss or kind of thing for the other plants. So guys, we have come to the end of another episode. So guys, if you want us to make video on any other plant, leave us a comment. And also guys, Insider Gardening is launching a new series, We Deserve to Live, on our YouTube channel, in which we will show you how to save environment by planting more and more plants by using as much as waste possible. Nothing to everything, clean to green. So stay tuned to Insider Garden. Also, you can follow us on Facebook and Instagram. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe to Insider Gardening. Share with your friends, family, and We Deserve to Live. Stay tuned, stay connected. We will meet you next time with a new video and new concept.